Hello, hi, welcome back to Sai. So I hope you all are doing well. Today we have a very exciting opportunity to share with you all guys, especially for students who are passionate about the earth science and want to gain real hands-on research experience in this area. So this notification is from NCESS, which is National Center for Earth Science Studies, and it's about their internship, summer training and dissertation programs. So if you are a student in your final year of B.Sc or M.Sc or M.Tech, this is something for you which you do not definitely don't want to miss out. So before we dive into the details, let me quickly tell you about the NCESS, which is a recognized R&D institutions where a lot of cutting edge research in earth science happens. They regularly conduct programs for school and college students, including open days around Earth Day celebrations, then PhD research opportunities, and international collaborations and conferences. So when you get a chance to work here, you are not just doing an internship, you are stepping into the hub of knowledge, innovation, and scientific exchange in the essence area. So that's why this is such a golden opportunity. So let's start with the notification for the internship from NCESS. So this is the official website of the NCESS, which is nces.government.in. So when you scroll down through the official website, you can see the news and events section. Here you can see inviting applications for internship or dissertation in NCES September 2025. So if you click this link, you will get the notification for the particular program directly. So this is the notification they published for the particular internship, summer training or dissertation program. So application for this are accepted twice every year, in February and in September. So which means you have 2 windows to apply for the particular internship or summer training or dissertation program between 1st to 28th February, which is the first section, and again from the 1st to 30th September, which is the second phase. But keep in mind the late application will not be entertained, and so make sure you apply on the time. So moving on to the eligibility criteria, only students from the specific categories will be considered. So listen carefully. If you are pursuing a 5 years integrated M.Sc, M.Sc M.Tech, then students from 7th to 9th semester are eligible. So if you are pursuing a 5 year integrated M.Sc or M.Sc Tech or M.Tech, then students from 7th to 9th semester are eligible for this particular program. For a 3 year M.Sc or M.Sc Tech students, if they are in 3rd to 5th semester, they are also eligible. And for a 2 year M.Sc program or M.Tech program, students from the 2nd to 3rd semester are eligible to apply. And finally, B.Sc Final Year students can also apply. So there are 4 different categories. So make sure if you are eligible or not, go through the notification thoroughly. So if you fall into any of these categories, you are eligible to apply for the training program. That's great news, because NCES is offering an exposure to some really exciting research projects even if you are a student. So let's talk about the selection process. The application will be scrutinized and shortlisted candidates will be finalized by the director of NCESS, and the list of the selected students along with the allocated supervisor and the project title will be announced on the NCES website itself. So not through personal emails, you have to note it. They won't announce or they won't inform you anything through your personal emails. Everything will be officially through their website, and the announcement happens in the first week of the May for the February cycle and the first week of the December for the September cycle. So make sure you check the website regularly. So now we are in the September phase, so the list of selected candidates would be published on the first week of December. So go check the website on the first week of December for the result if you are applying. And one important thing to note is that the students cannot choose their supervisors or project based on your research interest in the application. A suitable supervisor will be allotted by visiting the students committee. And once you get the offer, you need to accept it within 7 to 10 working days, otherwise it will be given to someone else from the waiting list. So be alert and respond on time. And there are also some general guides and guidelines you should know. Once selected, the students must go under a minimum of 8 weeks of continuous training at NCESS. Shorter durations are not allowed, and during the program students may be taken for day field trips, but this will be without overnight stays and only with prior approval. Then students are generally allowed on campus only during working days, but in exceptional cases, weekend or holiday access can be given with a special permission. And at the end of your internship or dissertation, every student must take a 15-minute presentation, 10 minutes for your work and 5 minutes for discussion. This is compulsory and ensures that you get a platform to present your research experience. And after that, your report or dissertation will be signed by the supervisor and submitted to the visiting students committee. A copy will also go to the NCESS library, and you will be issued an official certificate of completion, which can be a great addition to your CV and future academic or job applications. And let me share some additional important points now. Any publication or journal communications that comes out of your work must have the consent of your guide and NCESS. And also note that no accommodation or transportation will be provided to project students, and you will have to arrange that on your own. But the good news is that there is no fee for carrying out your internship or training or dissertation at NCESS, which means you are getting access to world-class facilities, guidance from expert scientists, and research exposure completely free of cost. And one more thing, if you are selected earlier but did not join, then you cannot apply again. So make sure you are committed before applying. So that is one important thing. If you were selected earlier and you didn't join, then you cannot apply. So you can see this program at NCES is an excellent chance to build your research skills, connect with experienced scientists, and explore the exciting world of earth sciences. Whether you are aiming for higher studies like PhD or planning a career in research, academia, or even in industries related to environment and earth system, this experience would definitely give you an edge. So opportunities like this don't come often, so don't let this one slip away. So if you are interested, remember the online application form is only active during February and September. So now we are in the September phase and it is active till September 30th. So apply in the prescribed format, get it signed by your HOD or the head of institution with the official seal, and be ready with your documents when you arrive at NCESS. And if you are having any queries regarding this internship or training or dissertation program, you can reach out through the official emails which is given in the notification. So you can see the mail, which is visiting students at ncess.gov.in, or you can also contact in texel at ncess.gov.in. So that's all about the internship training and a dissertation notification from the NCESS, and I really encourage all the eligible students to apply, because this could be the stepping stone of your future career in science. Imagine the kind of exposure you would get at the NCESS, and working in advanced labs, interacting with eminent scientists, and learning in research driven environment. And before ending the video, one more thing: in order to apply for this particular position, in the notification page itself you can see a hyperlink like click here for the attached format. So if you are clicking through this link, you will be redirected to another PDF which is mentioning or telling about the particular program, and also providing a Google form link for the application. So once you go through the notification, you will get this, and if you click this Google form, you will be redirected to the application form for the particular program which is open on the September 2025. So you can fill out this application form and you can submit to the NCES. So that's how the application process going on. So you can you have to upload your different files like CV, then recommendation letter, then passport size photograph, etc. So you go through this and check what are the things required, and fill your application very clearly without any mistake. So that's all the application process, and I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. So don't miss out this golden opportunity and apply before the deadline, and give yourself the best chance to grow in the field of earth science. So that's for today's videos, and if you found this information useful, do give it a like, share it, and subscribe to our channel, and also share it with your friends who might be interested. So subscribe the channel for more such updates regarding the jobs, internship, and opportunities in science, especially in life science, and all the best to everyone who is applying for this particular program, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.